Hi guys, so I'm here in Shangri-la Mactan Cebu. So I will be checking in and I'm excited to sleep, to relax and to read my book. Yeah, so I'm looking for my hotel room. So kami ang roommate ni Kuya. Hi baby. Hi baby. View our balcony. Nasaan ba dito? Lumulot ba ito? Ay, perfect. Ay, wala tayo view. Kaayo. Hi guys, so we're here at Shangri-la Mactan Cebu. Nasabungan kaya. So here's my roommate. Wow, so si Kuya. So I will get my luggage. Let's unpack everything. So actually, dako kayong luggage. Large siya, 20 kilos. It's because I will be going to 3 days in Cebu, 3 days in Manila, 3 days in Macau, and 3 days in Hong Kong. So all in all, 12 days of traveling. So I'm planning dapat 2 outfits per day, pero di na gid kaya, like marag 1 outfit per day lang gid ako makaya. So magpalit pa ko, mag-shop ako. So I don't know what to do. Dito tayo sa bathroom. Oh my god, naka-brief lang ako. So the good thing, meron silang bidet and then the bathtub. And of course, uubusin ko itong lahat because I will be using this sa Macau and Hong Kong trip ko kasi hindi ako nakadala ng lotion. Only gamay lang yung nadala ko. So, magagamit ko din to. Perfect! Thank you so much, Shangri-La! Hi guys, so we're going to the beach. Wow. So maliligo siya and then ako magbabasa ng buo kasi my goal is to finish this in 12 days. So, bye!
Padulong siguro ka sa beach?
Okay.
Good luck kayo. 1. Sige na! Go na! Go! Sige, sige. Uy! Balat mo ba sa beach?
Ano pamagot na?
Uy, sakit ka!
Grabe si Charissa nung naligo, gid siya nga naka-dress. Kaya naibayad ko niya dress. Bitaw. So, we're just enjoying the moment. Wow! So, we're preparing for our Arabian night. So, I will be dressing like a resident from Saudi Arabia. Like as you can see, basta later makikita nyo yan. So he's Bon. So as you can see the view, grabe kanindot ay like pasabog. Si Bon na pa siya pa-crown. I will be ironing. Wow, plancha ko na ako ang headdress. So, gidalan ako kong plancha. Nai-plancha sa Shangri-La pero inuusim ba ko lang mag-uba. Mahal kaayo. So, since nakadala mo ko ani, kaya para sa kong Hong Kong mag Macau, like ko kabalo nabay plancha ko ang hotel.
Double take, and there's a walk away.
Good morning, Shangri-la. So here's my outfit. Outfit check. So actually we're preparing because we will be having some picture taking. So here's my outfit. Ready ka ba makita na?
Yeah.
Yeah, so this is my old pants. I reuse it. Oh my gosh. Di pala foam ang sa ilalim. Hi, mga US from Bukidnon, Kuya, and then from Bukidnon as well. So we are having our breakfast with this view.
Go.
We're going to the beach because maligo me for sure.
Guys, nag-post ako guys. Mo?
Hi guys, nako diri sa Shangri-la Jacuzzi Park. Di ko kaligo kay grabe kay kainit na kayo sa init na kay sa gawas magpainit-init pag hadlok lang kay diri guys. Okay tanawa gani. I'm just the only one person here and then creepy kay siya. Mara siya diba? Marag, oh my gosh. Napadin dira team room, diba? Marag possible na kayo makita no creepy or someone. My gosh. Oh, napag yung mga baton-baton. My gosh, mulakaw na ko kay sinay mo to nga kalit diri. Off to my room. My gosh! Ay, pa ka na human? Tomorrow pa akong flight pa Maynila. And happy kayo kay na-update. Nagyudang ako ang MacBook. So na-update na siya into Ventosa ba to? So, accomplishment today. Of course, updating our clients, no? And also tawaga Cebu ng mga agents. And mag-retouch ta para makita ninyo ang effect. And this is my favorite lip gloss right now. Vice. Because it's halang. As you can see, oh, mura lang yung nagka-out sa lechon. Siya, like, join Prulife lagi kay libre na magunitanan sa Prulife, no? So, mo nang after this, mag-Manila 3 days. After this, Macau 3 days. Hong Kong 3 days. So, mo nang kamuki ka po yun sa akong video kay mag-vlog ko all throughout my laag. Sabo ko din yun, may gusto mag-lunch, pero ang mga napkin pa lang sa lamesa kay pa 5,000 per meal na namang budget kay 4-5 ra sa mo pa. Diba? Like siya. Kulang na 500. Okay ra?
Kasi naamoy pwede
Suggest. Here's the entertainment room sa Shangri-La. So na sila paingon ani. They have this. They have billiards. They have a gaming place. Oh, cutie kayo no? Kayo na yung Pac-Man. I wanna play this one. I will play this later. Wow! Walang tao? Oh my gosh, tayo lang pala. Pak, grabe ka pretentious. At sa'yo, mag-orderan siya. Orderan nga mo kanino tamang plano mag-water lang. Unta ang water. Isn't one and only. Pasabog! Because we will have more expensive stuff. So we will try this. 1 minute lagi. Blur ko. So we will be sleeping here in the bean bags with love. Ate lang. Oh, with our city view. Delayed among flight.
Thank you.